Meaning of George Boole.
George Boole.
George Boole.
George Boole.
George Boole. George Boole was a British mathematician and logician who lived in the 19th century. He is best known for his work in mathematical logic, particularly for developing what is now known as Boolean algebra. This form of algebra uses only two values, typically represented as 0 and 1, to represent the truth values of logical statements. This work laid the foundation for modern digital computer circuits and is widely used in electronic engineering and computer science today. Boole's contributions to logic and mathematics continue to have a profound impact on the way we understand and use information.